some brows. Can I just wake up one day with my brows looking like this? I want to wake up one day and my brows looking like this. Can I? Is it possible? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're not, welcome back. So today I'm going to be doing a very quick eyebrow tutorial. This is just how I do my brows. Now I've been watching YouTube videos for a while now on looking at other techniques that other YouTube influencers have used to get their brows to look somewhat natural. I have went from the block brow to the really thin brow to the overdrawn brow. Like, it's just been a lot going on with my brows. I feel like now I'm getting better with my technique and also with the products that I'm using. Now, I am big on going to the store and trying out a product that someone says is like the best or like the holy grail. So ABH, if you don't know, Anastasia Beverly Hills, is really big in the brow game, and she has a lot of products. So when the Brow Wiz came out, I ran and got that. When the I think it was like a brow pencil came out, I went and got that. Those retail for upwards of like $20, $25 where I am. So that can get pretty expensive if you're using that on a daily basis. So I did find some cheaper options for those of you who don't want to spend that type of money on a brow pencil, and I feel like they work just fine for me. I got the e.l.f. pencil in dark brown, and I think that was like $3 or something, and I got that from Walmart. I also got the Revlon Color Stay pencil in the color dark brown, and it's more like a waxy texture, but I feel like it works just fine as well. I also finally got the ABH, what is it, the dip brow pomade. I wasn't really big on these because I was like, I don't really know how it's gonna come off. I don't know if it comes off chalky. I don't know if it comes off like smooth. I didn't really know, and I wasn't willing to spend the $15 to buy it, but and I just dropped it. Okay, let's not break it. All right, so I did buy it, and I got it in the color Ebony. Now, when I got married 4 years ago, I did use the Ebony Brow Wiz pencil, and then I started to gravitate towards the dark brown. I feel like the dark brown is a little bit better on me. However, they didn't have dark brown in the pomade, so I got the Ebony instead, and it looks just fine. Anyway, let's see how I get these bad boys filled in. All right, let's go. So the e.l.f. pencil looks like this. It's dual-ended, and so it has the pencil part, and then it also has a spoolie brush on the end. So I use the spoolie to brush my hairs out, and then I'm gonna go in and shape them with the pencil side. Now, if you guys can tell, I have like 2 different eyebrow shapes, so it's kind of weird, and I don't know. I have to try to get this brow to match this one, because I feel like my right brow is my better brow as far as shape is concerned. And as you guys can see, I don't really have a lot of hair on my left side, like under it. So like my brow, as far as the filling part, is kind of lower. So I have to always make sure I try to get that even or somewhat, you know, similar. Now again, the left side is my trouble side, because of the shape of it and how I need to fill it in. So sometimes I do use the brow pomade to kind of fill or define that line. I need to brush these up. Ew, this shape is just disgusting. So there's the shape that I already have. So I need to fill in mainly in the bottom here, and then make the eyebrow a little bit straighter down below the brow, and then bring it up. So now I'm just going to take my concealer. This is just the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee. I'm going to use this e.l.f. brush that I got from Walmart. It's just like a flat brush. So I want to chop it just a tad. Okay, and then I'll go in with my foundation shade. So it's whatever foundation you use. And I'll just pop a little bit of that in the front of my brow. And I know you guys are like, I know damn well she ain't going out with her eyebrows looking like that. No, I am not. So I will take this little smudge brush. It's another e.l.f. brush that I got from Walmart. And I will go in and just smudge that product, or that concealer and foundation, out into my skin. Or like blend it out so it's not as harsh. Alright guys, so that is how I fill in my brows. Again, I feel like it's fairly simple. It's nothing too crazy. I feel like my brow game will change eventually as I continue to do them and fill them in. Now, I don't fill my brows in every day, so this is not something that you need to do every single day. Sometimes I do go out bare face and look like a serial killer, but you know what? If I do fill them in, this is how they look. Now, if I want to do a more defined look, especially when I'm doing like a bold face, or not bold face, but a full face of makeup, then I will use the Revlon Color Stay pencil because it's a little more waxy and it gives me more of a darker brow. This is what it looks like, and it also has a spoolie on the end, and it also has a spoolie on the end, and then the brow tip is more like a slanted look. So yeah, and since I just started using the brow pomade, the ABH brow pomade, I have been filling them in a little bit more, and it does give you that seriously dark defined brow. Like, this stuff is pretty legit. So I do say go get that if you have not gotten it, and don't be scared of the product. You can easily just wipe it off and start over. So again, oh, actually, God dang. So I hope you guys found this tutorial to be easy. Again, there's so many eyebrow tutorials out there, so you know, if you happen to click on mine and like it, give it a thumbs up. Leave me some suggestions down below of what you want to see from me in the future. If you have any tips or products you want me to try out, leave that down below as well. Alright, so I will see you guys very soon. Love ya. Bye.